Hi there, welcome to Razor Random, where I talk about skincare, hair care, and other self-care products. Today I will be reviewing Neogen Dermalogy Green Tea Foaming Facial Cleanser. My name is Jonathan, and like I said, today I will be reviewing Neogen Dermalogy Green Tea Foaming Facial Cleanser. Before I jump into this review, I'm not a professional, I am not a dermatologist, I'm just a person who has used this product, and I just want to give my personal review to you. With that being said, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this product with my own money, and I'm just going to give you a fully unbiased review. Just wanted to get that out of the way. This foaming pump bottle is 5.6 ounces and claims to gently and thoroughly cleanse pores and hydrate skin with natural freshness. Overall, it's recommended for normal, oily, combination, and sensitive skin. The only skin type left out there is dry skin. It doesn't say don't use if you're dry, just not recommended. So if you do have dry skin, this might not be your friend. It is a daily facial non-irritating cleansing foam with 99 natural ingredients, totaling in over 100 ingredients. Benefits listed are as follows. It moisturizes and brightens skin, removes sebum and tightens pores, exfoliates dead skin cells, and is formulated with real green tea leaf and real green tea water. Which you can see, it kind of looks a little nasty because it's kind of like, you know, running out, but down here in this bottom compartment, you can kind of see that there are green tea leaves. To use, wet your face, pump into hands, work it into a lather, massage your face gently, avoiding contact with the delicate eye area, and rinse thoroughly. This is a Korean or KBeauty product, which they're increasingly becoming more popular in the States. I think it's mainly because they've got some excellent products that the US just doesn't have research or has the means to get the certain ingredients. I don't quite know, it's just KBeauty products are sweeping the nation. Now let's talk ingredients. I'm going to highlight 3 specifically. First ingredient I want to talk about is Camellia sinensis leaf. I don't think I said that correctly, but it's better known as green tea. It is obviously a botanical ingredient, and there is a lot of research that proves that the consumption of green tea can help with, you know, it's packed with antioxidants and anti-carcinogenics. And though most of that research supports, you know, the consumption of it, like drinking green tea, there has been some research done about the effects of green tea topically. It contains an unpronounceable compound, also known as EGCG, which according to my research here is essentially known for its anti-carcinogenic and antioxidant abilities. It also has been shown to inhibit the body's immune suppression and skin cancer that is initiated from UVB exposure. So a 2001 study basically showed that the topical use of EGCG can reduce the body's oxidative stress and increase its enzyme and amino acid activity. Another study in 2003 demonstrated how green tea also works to reduce UV-induced inflammations, proving that it is an extremely effective treatment for reducing redness and irritation, especially associated with rosacea. Then in 2005, there was a study and laboratory, who do I think I am? In 2005, there was a study and laboratory skin biopsies proved a significant improvement in skin's elastic tissue content after the use of this ingredient topically when compared to skin that did not use green tea topically. That elasticity in your face is what's going to prevent fine lines and wrinkles, which is what everybody wants to, you know, have younger, supple, soft looking skin. If you want to do some further sleuthing about these studies, I will leave a link to all 3 of them in the video description below. Like I said, you can see in this bottom compartment right here, there are actual tea leaves, and that is one of my main complaints. I mean, I think it looks really cool. It's awesome that, you know, you can see the ingredient right here, but if you look, you see that the pump, like the tube that goes through the pump doesn't go all the way to the bottom. So you get all this liquid at the bottom that I can't really, you gotta like tap it out. So that's kind of one of my only complaints with this. Specifically, it's just kind of how the bottle is engineered. I mean, it looks cool, but I want my product. I want to use my product, you know? The next ingredient I want to talk about is aristotelia chilensis fruit extract. I probably butchered that. This ingredient is also known as maqui, maqui, and it is also known as the Chilean wineberry. In its natural state, this ingredient is compared to having the flavor of raspberries and blackberries, but please do not consume this product. I feel like I shouldn't have to say that, but I did go on some Reddit forums where they were talking about this product, and there were certain comments from certain people that have me concerned for the human race. Don't eat your facial cleansers, y'all. This ingredient contains a potent type of antioxidant that actually helps prevent the severity of UV rays. However, just because it does that, in no way am I saying that is any sort of replacement for sunscreen, especially considering the fact that there is 100 ingredients in this. So we don't really know exactly the percentage of this ingredient that is in here. So like anything, make sure you're wearing sunscreen. The last ingredient I want to talk about is donkey milk. Yes, donkey milk. It is exactly what you think it is. It is a natural product derived from a female donkey. But it is good for your skin because it is rich in vitamins and fatty acids. It contains anti-aging and antioxidant compounds while having 4 times the amount of vitamin C as cow milk. It also contains vitamins A, B1, B2, B6, D, and E. It also can help sensitive skin, such as eczema, and tends to trigger far fewer allergies than common cow's milk. Fun fact, it was first notably recognized for its healing powers, and Cleopatra herself is said to have bathed in buckets of donkey milk to improve the appearance of her skin. Now, this product does have fragrance in it. I'm not the biggest fan of fragrance in my skincare. It doesn't really do anything except make it smell nice. However, the fragrance of this actually is so subtle, and dare I say, it does smell very pleasant. And since it is a face cleanser, you're washing it off. This isn't going to be something that's sitting on your skin for a long time, which is usually when fragrances can irritate the skin. So this time I'm gonna let it slide. Clearly, I have been enjoying this product. I actually do love this product. I have turned a couple of people onto it. This is, it's my second, maybe third bottle that I have used. I love it. My skin loves it. I feel clean, but I don't feel like stripped or squeaky clean after I use it. It smells fantastic, and honestly, it's been working out for me. However, I will say that I did want to bring this. I was traveling. I went to Iceland this past year, a couple months ago. You can't really transfer this into any sort of travel container, and even if I'm not traveling out of, like if I'm not taking a flight anywhere, I have traveled with this in my bag, and even with a cap on it, it has kind of spilled just because of the way that the bottle is. So it's not really travel friendly. That's kind of, besides this little portion right here, that's kind of the only downfall to it. But all in all, I freaking love this thing. It has truly become one of my staples, and I feel like this is going to be one of those face cleansers that I continue to return to just because, I don't know, I like it so much. So if this is something that you want to try out, I will leave a link down in the video description below. Have you tried this product before? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Please comment below. Let me know, have you found alternatives? I know that there's a couple of different flavors, don't eat this, a couple of different types of this Neogen Dermology. It's not green tea, I think they have a berry one, they have a couple other ones. If you've tried any of those other ones, please let me know. If this video was helpful at any point, please hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see me review other self-care products. This is Razor Antum, I am Jonathan, and I will see you next time.